Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Vlogmas Day 4, y'all. Let's keep it going here. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I hope y'all having an awesome Wednesday morning. Up early this morning watching my videos here. So it's December the 4th, 2024, y'all. Vlogmas Day 4. And yeah, we're going to do it. Like I said, we're going to change it up here and there. We're going to get now on to some Christmas cookies, y'all. We get some Christmas cookies. Like I say, 75% of these videos going to be Christmas based. But I'm going to throw some stuff in there like chili cheese dogs yesterday. Y'all didn't hear the chili cheese dog kind of hit you. If you ain't seen the chili cheese dog video, go back and watch yesterday's video of my chili cheese dogs. That's my favorite. Man, I ate every one of them. So y'all don't judge me. I ate all 3 of them. Sure did. And all the chips too. Don't judge me. But anyway, we moving forward here to Vlogmas Day 4, I'm sorry. We make some chocolate chip cookies. Very simple, very easy chocolate chip cookie. But I'm adding some Christmas M&ms in there and some toasted pecans in there that I had left over from another video. So I said I'm gonna throw them toasted pecans in there. I had left over from my ambrosia salad. You ain't seen that video. That was Vlogmas Day 2. Go back and see that video for my ambrosia salad. So anyway, let me tell y'all what I got. I got some salted butter here, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, flour, all-purpose, eggs, room temperature, butter, room temperature, of course, semi-sweet chocolate chips, Christmas M&ms here, roasted pecans, and I got some salt right here and baking soda, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my flour already, y'all. Y'all gonna say, I didn't see him add the salt and baking soda. I'm gonna go in and mix it here with my flour. So it's all mixed in there already. So when I add the flour, it's good to go. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, y'all. First thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna, just like we're making a cake, y'all. We're gonna cream our butter and sugar together a little bit. And then we're gonna add our eggs in there. And then add the rest of the ingredients. Very simple to make cookie batter, y'all. Cookie dough, cookie batter, however you say it. So we're gonna get that cream together there, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, we're gonna add our eggs to this. A couple of eggs there. That mixed up in there. Kind of scrape this down here a little. There we go. Oh yeah, nothing like raw cookie dough, right? All right, y'all, now I'm gonna throw my vanilla in there, y'all. Then we're gonna put our flour in here. Flour in here. Hope I don't put it all in my face. Get it all wrapped up in here. A little bit more. Scrape this down a little, y'all. Then we're gonna add our rest of our nuts and add the nuts. Cause you know they ain't gonna tell you. We're just gonna kind of fold that in, and this stuff will be ready to scoop, y'all. Get off there. Get off there. flour is incorporated. Like I said, you're just gonna add our pecans, chocolate chips, and the M&Ms. That's it, y'all. Almost letting it go too far. It go all over me. Okay. Nothing like raw cookie dough, huh? Somebody out there gonna say, you can't be eating raw cookie dough. It ain't healthy. It ain't good. I always got those people. The raw cookie dough haters. Saying it's gonna kill you and all that. If you don't like raw cookie dough, don't eat it. Don't hate on somebody else that does. As long as it ain't hurting you. Don't be infringing on other people's rights to eat it. Right? Right. Okay. Let me step off here, y'all. I'm going to put this in another bowl. And we're going to scoop this on the pan and get it baked off. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. All right, y'all. Let's start scooping these in here. I got my little scoop right here. And I'm going to just scoop them probably about, what, back? 3 or 4 across. About 3 in a row there, y'all. Yeah, I think 3 in a row should do it. Just like so. Just like so, y'all. I should get, let's see here how many I'm gonna get here, y'all. Let's see how many. I don't want them too close. I don't want them to, you know me, Chef Jeffrey, get them too close together. Then they stick, which it doesn't matter. Not a big deal. There we go. And I got another pan to do. We'll get that done. We'll come back when we get them all panned out, and then we'll put them in the oven. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. How many do we got here, y'all? 315, 5 times 3. I got 4 times 3 on this one. I got 12 on this one. 30. I got about 3 dozen of these things, y'all. So hopefully these don't go together too bad. So anyway, we're gonna put it in the oven 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, like normal. And we'll come back. We'll have some old school chocolate chip cookies, y'all. Vlogmas Day 4. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all. Cookies out of the oven. All right, y'all. I got one more pan in the oven. So these are ready. Like I said, I got one more pan in the oven. These took exactly 10 minutes, y'all. So I'm gonna let them cool right here in the pan a little bit. And then later on, we're gonna take them out of here after they're all done. When you come back, they'll already be plated on the plate, y'all. Just letting you know how they look when they come out the oven. And when I come back again, I have them all plated on the presentation plate, as we call it. Yeah, so anyway, y'all, very simple, very easy cookie. Like I said, you can add or subtract anything you want. Like I say, it's regular chocolate chip cookie dough, and I just added the Christmas M&Ms to give it the festive look. Then I had the roasted pecans left over from another video, threw them in. You can put raisins in here, y'all. You can throw some oatmeal in there. You can throw some coconut in there. Anything you want to add or subtract to these cookies will work. It'll work just fine. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back here once they're all done and played up. And I got to do a taste test of these cookies. And then we got to do our chocolate. Anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Cookies are out of the oven. Cool. Plated up. And like I said, y'all, I got about 3 dozen out of here. You probably get 4 dozen, depending on how thick you scoop it. But I got about 3.5 dozen out of this. And yeah, and y'all can make this ahead of time, y'all. If you got that lifesaver called a food saver, put them in a food saver bag and just set it to the side. That's what I'm gonna do with these. I'll put it in a Ziploc bag and put the Ziploc bag beside your bed on the nightstand while you're watching Netflix and YouTube. you can eat a dozen of these cookies. Say you won't. No, you won't. But anyway, y'all, let's try one of these out here. Let me get a nice small one here, y'all. Let me see which one I want to get a small one. There we go. There we go. Got a small one right there. You see the M&ms on the back and the front. See the pecans in there. You see a little pecan right there. See that? And of course the chocolate chip. Let me break them in half here. And they kind of, you know, soft, not hard. You can see in there too. See the chocolate chips in there and the pecans and the M&Ms going in. Love it. Now, I'm thinking about me. I like a crunchy cookie. Some people like soft cookies. I'm not a soft cookie fan. And these are like kind of in between. If you like a softer cookie, cook it about 8 minutes and take them out. These took 10 minutes, y'all. We took exactly 10 minutes to finish eating. Oh my God. It's so good. Looks like a homemade cookie with M&M, Christmas M&M's in it. Got a little crunch in there with the pecans. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm trying to push these to the side here. Let me grab my advent calendar. All right. Okay. Some milk with those, y'all. Need some milk. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. All right. All right, it's Wednesday, December the 4th, right? Okay. See if we can find 4. Oh, 4 right here. Look, a little squirrel there. Got another heart. Got another heart, y'all. Got a heart here, number 4. Got a heart for number 4. We're going to cut it in half, of course. I think a lot of them going to repeat themselves. Yeah. That's the one got white chocolate. This one more love before the end of the month over, y'all. Not bad. People say, just before the end of the month, we're going to be loving chocolate. I don't hate chocolate. I just don't like it. If I had a choice, well, if you mix it with something like this, I definitely would eat it. Yeah, I definitely would eat it. Like I say, y'all, if I'm up at a birthday party, a wedding or something, if somebody give me a piece of chocolate cake, that's what they had, I'll eat it. I ain't got, oh my God, this, I'm not that person when it comes to food. If I had a choice, you know, I wouldn't eat it. But anyway, enough said. So anyway, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this little Vlogmas 4. We got 20 more of these, y'all, until we can close this out. It'll be Christmas time before you know it. So anyway, Christmas, what is it, 3 weeks from today? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So anyway, if you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024, stop wishing, start doing Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Vlogmas Day 4. Done.